What does it mean for a system to be digitally ready? When we describe a system or equipment as digital ready, it means that it is designed to integrate and interface seamlessly with digital technologies, networks and processes. While traditional equipment can be somewhat isolated due to the lack of connectivity and compatibility, digitally ready systems are key to data-driven operations. How is Tuptrax integrated with digital technologies? Van der Lande's ICS solution utilizes Profinet to collect equipment data. Profinet is a protocol designed for quick and efficient data exchange in industrial environments, primarily through Ethernet infrastructure. It is especially valuable in settings where fast and timely transfer of data is key, which is the case for airports' baggage operations. Why is digital readiness important? When a system such as our Tuptrax ICS is digitally ready, further automation and optimization is made possible. For instance, having access to real-time and historical equipment data enables the implementation of digital processes like predictive maintenance, which ultimately improves operational efficiency.